Hello guys, in this video, in this tutorial, we are going to create a sketch of this figure with the help of sketching tools like line and rectangle tool. You have to also add the required constraint and dimension to complete the sketch. Dimension of the sketch are given here, you can see that. Now come to the software part. Here you can see that 3D modeling environment is already invoked. So now you can click on Start 2D Sketch button, and next you have to make a selection of plane. I'm going to select XY plane, and then choose Line tool from the Create panel to create the outer part of the sketch. Click on Origin and then move the cursor towards right about 80 mm. And then move the cursor in the upward direction about 10 mm and then left about 15 mm and then again in the upward direction about approximately 30 mm, then moves towards right and then again moves in the upward direction about 10 mm and then move towards left and click here and then come towards downward and click here and then towards right about 15 mm and then come downward and then towards left and then come closer to the origin and click on the origin. Right click here, then click on OK. Choose the OK option from the marking menu to exit from the line tool. Now you can see that outer part of the sketch is created here with the help of the line tool. Now you have to apply the constraint, geometrical constraint. Okay, so basically you have to select the equal constraint from the constraint panel. Before selecting the equal constraint, just I want to share one point that some of the constraints gets automatically applied while you are creating the sketch, like horizontal, vertical. Okay, so now you need to choose equal constant from the constraint panel and then select this one, this line and then this line. You can see that equal constant has been applied to the selected line. Now this line and this line. Now you can see that message is coming that adding this constant will over constant the sketch. It means equal constant has been already applied to the selected sketch. Now select this sketch and this sketch. Again message is coming about the sketch. So click on cancel button here to close this dialog box. Next you need to apply the equal constant between these two lines. Okay. Again this message is displaying that adding this constant will over constant the sketch. So now you have to click on the cancel button. Okay. Now you have to apply the equal constraint between this and this. Okay, by applying next you have to apply between this and this. Okay, now click on cancel button as this constant is already applied here. Again this and this. Again choose the cancel button to close this dialog box. Now you need to apply the dimension. So you have to choose the dimension tool from the constraint panel and select this in this line and then you have to give the dimension 80. Okay, and it will be how much? It will be like, sorry, press escape button from here, again select the dimension tool, give here 10 mm. And what is the dimension of this one? This one is about 30 mm. And this one is how much? 50. How? Then click on OK button. So this one is the 50, 30, 10, 40 and then plus 10. So how much it is? It becomes 50. So I have given here 50. So this is about how to create the outer part of the sketch and how to give the dimension and geometrical constant. Next you have to create this rectangle. Now you have to click on the down arrow of the rectangle tool, and from here you have to choose the 2-point tool and then click here and drag the mouse button towards upward and then release here and click. Now click on OK button. Now choose the OK option from the marking menu to exit from the rectangle tool. Now you have to choose the dimension tool to dimension this rectangle. So how much it is? It is 30. And this one is how much? This one is 20. Okay, so this one is the length and width of the rectangle. Now you have to give this dimension. This one is how much? This one is 10. And again you have to give this dimension. This one is how much? This one is 15. Now you can see that inner and outer part of the sketch is created with the help of the line and the rectangle tool. Dimension is also already given and geometrical constant is applied here. So this sketch become fully constant. Here message is displaying. Now you have to save it. So before saving the sketch you have to exit from the 3D sketching environment. So click on finish button, finish the sketch button, and then you have to click on file menu, and then from here you have to choose the save option, select the save option and then browse the folder. So here I want to save the file with the name of the tutorial tut1, then click on save button. So now the sketch which you have created is saved in the desired folder, in the required folder. So this is about how to create the sketch with the help of line and 2-point rectangle tools. Thank you.